Hello everyone and welcome to another Financial Markets Weekly Update video. My name is Styliana, I'm the Head of Investments and Market Research at Pure, and in today's video we're going to talk about commodities, stocks and the crypto markets and how they reacted to the news and also what to expect in the current week from the markets. So in the previous week we have the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment data report. The US economy added 315,000 jobs in August versus 298,000 consensus. There were 115,000 of downward revisions, primarily to June's figure, but this still means 3.5 million jobs have been added in 2022, despite the economy technically being in a recession. The August employment report paints a very positive picture regarding the current state of the US economy with solid jobs growth, yet signs that supply strains are easing as workers return to the labor force. With wage growth coming in lower than expected, it points to a slower pace of rate hikes after September's expected 75 basis points move. Now, let's move on into the crypto news of the current and the previous week. We will start with MicroStrategy, where MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor sued by a District of Columbia for evading taxes. Michael Saylor, the founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, is being sued by Washington, D.C. for allegedly evading taxes since 2005. The suit, which was filed in the D.C. Superior Court Civil Division, states that Saylor intentionally avoided paying over $25 million in income taxes by fraudulently claiming to be a resident of other jurisdictions with lower tax regimes, including Virginia and Florida. In other news, stablecoin issuer Tether responds to Wall Street Journal's claim of inadequate reserves. Stablecoin issuer Tether has responded to a recent Wall Street Journal report that claimed a 0.3% decline in reserve asset value could result in a technical insolvency of the firm. Tether published a blog post that accuses the Wall Street Journal article of spreading false information. Singapore's central bank plans to restrict retail speculation in crypto. The Monetary Authority of Singapore's Managing Director, Ravi Menon, stated that the MAS, which means the Monetary Authority of Singapore, is considering restricting retail investors' access to leverage and credit facilities in trading crypto. The potential move is a part of the country's effort to foster the digital asset economy while eliminating excessive speculation on the asset. Now, let's move on into the current week's news. This week in America, we have the BOC interest rate decisions, US mortgage applications, and many more. Let's see. This week sees a wealth of economic data and events for Canada, with the Bank of Canada interest rate decision arguably the most significant. A rate hike is certainly on the table, though it remains unclear on whether it will be a 50, 75 or even a 100 basis points hike after the previous meeting's 100 basis points shock. Q2 gross domestic product updates will accompany the bank's decision. Elsewhere, balance of trade data for the US are forecasted to come in around the minus $72.3 billion mark, down from $79.6 billion. US mortgage applications data will also be eyed by markets. That's all the news for the current week, guys. That's also what happened in the previous week. So if you have any questions or if you want to open a trading account with us, you can contact us through our website or our social media. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching and wishing you a profitable trading week.